So that's how simple it is. All you have to do is click the like button on the TikTok video, scroll down and click the like button on this video, wait about 2 to 3 seconds, and then click the X to close the pop-up. You will then receive a certain number of points which you can then exchange for repeatedly small amounts of money such as 70 cents per click. In that way, you can make $1,000 or more each week just by doing no hard work but using your phone. Stay tuned if you want to learn more. We're going to walk you through this video step by step. First of all, though you all know, still let us tell you what TikTok is. The Chinese market saw the September 2016 release of Douyin, which now has an international counterpart in TikTok. In the majority of markets outside of mainland China, it debuted in 2017 for iOS and Android. On August 2, 2018, it emerged with Musical.ly, another Chinese social media platform, and only then did it become accessible globally. In October 2020, TikTok had been downloaded to more than 2 billion mobile devices worldwide. In order to like a TikTok video, the first step is to visit the website likeforlike.org. So for this instance, if we visit TikTok video likes, you can see that you can like this video and you would receive 2 points. Now the goal of this website is to accumulate as many points as you can. In the PayPal app, you can trade these points for money. The next step will be to register on this website. Click on register or login as appropriate. Therefore, if you click on register over here, all you have to do is enter your username, password, and email. You will then receive a confirmation email, which you must validate before you can sign into your account and start collecting points. After logging in, move on to step 3, where you want to visit Social Media Exchange and TikTok video likes. From there, you'll follow the same procedure to like TikTok videos and earn credits. Consequently, that'll lead to step 4, which is visiting maxbounty.com. With Max Bounty, a CPA network, we are compensated for persuading leads to take particular actions. So for instance, if we persuade someone to register on a website by simply providing their email, that website will pay us about $2 for each person we persuade to do so. The way these folks operate is that they pay you $2.14 for each person you refer to the giveaway, and every week or month, they randomly select one of the emails they have collected and send that individual a $1,000 PayPal prepaid card. Through email list promotions, they generate revenue. They generate money off of this in that fashion, which also enables them to offer a giveaway like this. You will thus click on the PayPal giveaway offer, and here you can acquire the affiliate link that we require. Therefore, we must construct our tracking connection over here. Then click text link after selecting textual. In order to view the giveaway competition, simply right-click on this, copy the link URL, and then paste it into a new tab. This means that you'll receive $2.45 or $2.40 in your PayPal account when someone enters this information. Simply come here and copy your affiliate link, all that is required. So in essence, that is how it operates. You're receiving a ton of credit for loving TikTok videos. You're going to build a straightforward, natural retweet or Twitter post to promote your giveaway competition to thousands of people on Twitter. You will receive $2.40 when someone enters the competition. But because of all the credits you've accrued by enjoying TikTok videos, people will regularly repost your tweet, causing it to become popular. You desire it after all. So that is how you will consistently receive $2.40. That concludes the video. I sincerely hope you learned a lot from this. It is quite active because you have to frequently visit and like TikTok videos to earn all the credits necessary to have your affiliate link tweeted, which will earn you more and more online revenue and commissions. So, what's your thought on this now? Tell us what you think in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.